Hello, and welcome to the Quick Sketches installment of the Taft Museum of Art's Virtual Studios collaboration with the Cincinnati Urban Sketchers. I am Christina Wald, and I am one of 4 admins, along with Robin Carnes, Amy Bogard, and Jeb Brack, who run our wonderful local chapter. When we are not under quarantine, we meet every 3rd Saturday to sketch at a location in the Cincinnati area, in addition to other regular outings to the zoo and other sketch opportunities as we add them. Urban Sketchers show the world, and in our case Cincinnati, one sketch at a time, especially now. The painting we are looking at today is Art van der Neer's An Extensive Valley with a Distant City, painted around 1662 in oil. Art was known for landscapes of night scenes lit only by moonlight and/or fires, winter landscapes, and river views. Although he was not commercially successful during his time, his paintings are sought after for many collections today. This piece is a wonderful study of a complex subject, the city with a marina. It captures the dappled light of swiftly moving clouds where the light is in patches. He uses form, shape, and color temperature to achieve this effect rather than concentrating on every small detail. Notice the shapes of the negative spaces around the building, boats, and water. When you are quick sketching, these are the shapes you draw first.
As Christina works, we'll explain what she's doing, watch her process, and then you can try these techniques out at home for your own quick sketches. First, start by sketching rectangles to do some quick thumbnails. Remember, it's important when quick sketching not to become fixated on drawing perfectly. Focus more on creating quickly your outline, as Christina has done, and outline what is being observed by the eye. She builds her sketch first by drawing in shapes and linear lines with her favorite purple Bic pen. Why don't you try playing around with some different colors? Keep a loose hand to help create quick line varieties. Then go back for smaller details. This will help create depth and distance. A helpful tip is to draw from front to back and slightly at an angle. To add watercolor to your work, make sure to do it in layers. Apply lighter tones first and then let them set in. Then apply darker tones in areas that represent shadow. You'll notice that Christina's work is left white in some areas, and that's okay. Leaving the paper peeking through adds an effortless highlighted element. As Christina finishes her work, we want to thank you for tuning in. To find more videos like this, follow the Virtual Studio series by the Taft Museum of Art on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, and be sure to join the Urban Sketchers Cincinnati Facebook group to meet other area sketchers. Plus, don't forget to share your creations with us by tagging Taft Museum Discovered on your favorite social platform. See you next week!